Ram Powergrip clutch sets are the most popular set that we sell. These kits are going to feature a higher clamp load pressure plate and a clutch disc with a heavy-duty 8-spring hub assembly. These springs are encapsulated in a urethane coating, and what that does is make that compression rate much higher on the spring and allows for more performance without beating the clutch center out of the disc. This is important because it's not something that our competitors do. The facing material is dual-sided. On the flywheel side, you're going to have a steel-back organic friction material. The pressure plate side is going to have our 900 series metallic friction. Each of these kits is going to include the pressure plate, the clutch disc, the alignment tool, and in most cases, the release bearing. Some later model applications within internal hydraulics may not include the bearing. Use Powergrip clutches for mildly modified engines, performance applications, a little bit stickier tire, more of a street strip type setup up to about 550 horsepower. And keep in mind those load factors that can affect how well that clutch is going to hold. Does it have a sticky tire? Is it geared properly? And is it going to be used at the track?